What's up guys, 3D Effects here, and I'm back, but we're playing Spank the Monkey. One of my friends told me about it, and I thought, oh yeah, I'll go have a look at this. You have to download the toolbar though, for your computer. That's the only downside, but then you can play. So I think what he said is you hit it and you just spank it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I need to wait. Let me move my computer over, so then I've got more space to drag my mouse, so I can pelt it. Oh, fail. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm too pro. Who do we get? Oh wait. So it looks like if you hit over 200 miles an hour, that's playing some musicals. Oh yeah. This game is really strange. Really? Oh! New record! I'm smacking really slow. Oh. I want to try getting at like 1 mile an hour, like. Oh, you can't do it. Wait. Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Right. Ugh. Right. Oh. Alright, go away. Okay. No. Right, so if you're watching this video, go to games, just basically go on Google, type in Spank the Monkey, and it should come up with this. And I want you to try and see if you can beat my score, which was like 325. Just take a picture or a snapshot or whatever of it, or a video response to this, and see if you can beat it. And we can have a little competition and see the top 10 of Spank the Monkey. So if you want to try this out, I suggest the best technique is go like this. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's only gonna be a really short episode. But whoa! Right. Okay. I'm gonna end it on this probably. Wait, one more hit, so we can end it with the music. Okay, ready? Hadouken! Oh. I wanna end it with the music. Ah. I think you have to get over 210 then. Oh! Failing now. Let me use my built-in mouse. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Pretty sensitive mouse. Right, there we go. Okay, I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Rate, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.